Hello and welcome to Cooking the Books with Heather. Today we're doing sort of a recipe that we need for other things in the Sam Jones book, Whole Hog Barbecue. And we are going to be making a rub. He calls this rub potion number swine. And he uses it for, obviously, pork, but also chicken. So we'll probably post this first and then you'll see what we use it for. And I'll hopefully remember to come back and link that up here. But it's just a standard sort of rub that you put on meats before you smoke them or barbecue them or whatever. It's got 9 ingredients. Interesting. So, first thing I'm going to put in here is brown sugar. This is light brown sugar. And then we have paprika. This makes a very large batch. He says it makes 3.5 cups. So I will probably put it all into a quart Ziploc bag when we're done. And this is salt. I went with iodized salt because that's what I had, but like table salt, not kosher. There's no indication of what to use here, not particular type of salt. So table salt is usually what he goes with. I believe that's what he puts on the whole hog when he does that. And then we have a lot of ground black pepper. We started trying to fresh grind it and that was taking for absolute ever, even with my battery operated grinder. So we did end up going with some pre-ground stuff we had. So that was mostly what it is. Mustard. So this is just ground mustard powder, chili powder. This is just a mix of, chilies and cumin and a bunch of stuff. Let's see what's next. Oh, we have a little bit of onion powder. I missed the garlic powder. Mine is very powdery. This batch, this one that I got is a super fine grind. And cayenne pepper. So it's not a lot of cayenne, but it might be a little bit spicy, but there is sugar in it to sort of help that along. And I'm going to just whisk it all together until it's completely mixed up. Get it, sure. All right, I think that's the best we're gonna do. There are a few little lumps in it, but that's okay. And it did make me sneeze at least once, and it's trying to make me sneeze again. But that is it for this recipe. Hopefully be very short. You can take a look at it and just refer to it when we use it other times. So, hope you enjoyed watching it. Please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and come back and watch me use this in the next recipe.